So I'm going to demo the strap and belt loop foot on the Admire Air 7000 so that you can quickly make straps or belt loops in cover stitch mode. And these can be used for a purse strap or, as in this bag in the upper left hand corner, as a decorative element. So you first cut a 1-inch strip and then start to feed it through the foot. And you might need something sharp to kind of get it started. And then the foot does all the work. It will do the fold for you, and then as you stitch, you're going to very quickly make a really nice strap very easily. If you want a little bit more heft to it, you could use a narrow strip of thin iron-on stabilizer on the long side of the strip before you start to sew it together. So you see how easy this is. It just flows right through there. Before you know it, you've got this nice long strap. And you can use cover stitch narrow, cover stitch wide, cover stitch triple if you like, whatever effect that you want for your strap. Now you can also do a slightly different technique where you can add a ribbon accent to a project. So you would feed the ribbon through the foot, get it into position underneath the foot, then place your fabric underneath once you have the ribbon centered under the foot. Now you need to have a ribbon that's the proper size so that it doesn't start to fold on you. You don't want it to fold. You want it just to be held in place by the foot so that you can then do the cover stitch to stitch it down all in one go. And there you have it. It is a very nice accent for a variety of different projects, and it's sewn down evenly and your stitches are evenly spaced, so it's another use for this foot, which is a really handy foot to have for your cover stitch serger.